Why PLC training? In today's rapidly evolving industrial landscape, automation is the key to efficiency and productivity. At the heart of these automated systems are PLC. PLC training is essential for anyone looking to enter the field of industrial automation. PLC are the backbone of modern automation systems, controlling machinery and processes in industries. With PLC training, you gain the skills to design, program, and maintain these critical systems, making you a valuable asset to employers. With the right training, you can help industries achieve higher efficiency, reduce downtime, and greater productivity. Start your journey in industrial automation with PLC training today and become a part of the future of manufacturing. Explore our website for detailed information on our classes. We provide training in PLC and SCADA to deepen your knowledge.